Hello everyone! They say good things come in small packages. Let's see what this one hides. Sunny day today at the caravan park, and I've just received the Amazon package. Let's see what's inside. And here it comes! Ta-da!
Oh.
New gadget
Oh my God.
designed to make our life easier. At the caravan park you always need storage because we have lots of material. We are under construction, so we need a new best friend. Let's talk a little bit about what's inside. So, really well packed, as you can see, and such a nice box. Has the Samsung writing, really small and and light. Let's see what is for real inside. Ta-da! The SSD itself, because we are unboxing the Samsung SSD T7 today, my friends, so stay with me. I'll tell you more about it.
It's so small.
This is it, the portable SSD. When Samsung wants to help and promises to deliver something really cool and helpful, then he brings on the market for us creators the new portable memory. This one comes in 500 gigabytes, 1 terabyte and 2 terabytes. I've chosen the 2 terabytes. Let's see what else is in the box. So I'll put it here and we'll come back to it and talk later a little bit more about. I like the way they pack their stuff. Let's put it aside. So, the SSD itself. Then you have cables. USB-C to A cable and USB-C to C cable. Really nice to touch. A little bit short, but the important thing is to do the job. And of course, the booklet. If you're new to this, just read it. Anyways, you don't need any fancy soft to use the SSD because you can just plug it in and that's it. Make your transfers. If you edit videos, you backup photos, or you just move big projects, then you need to have one of these because it's 9.5 faster than an external hard disk. And of course, Samsung promises to deliver speed. So this little friend has 1000 megabytes per second writing speed and 1050 for reading. So over time, it will save you lots of hours. It's really small, like the size of a credit card, and has smooth edges. It's thin. I can just fit it here in my pocket and just forget about it. And it's aluminum coated, and also if it slips from your desk, don't worry, it's shock resistant up to 2 meters. What else I can tell you about it? I'm really satisfied with it because of the blazing speed it has. Also, it comes in different colors, but I chose the titanium gray. I like it. So this is it, my friends. A whole new gadget that must be on your desk or in your pocket. Take it everywhere with you. Just store your photos. Works with different operating system. It's good with Windows, Mac operating system, gaming consoles, Android, and even some cameras. So don't worry. If you need to edit your videos and you're out of space, this will do the job. It's feather light, it's small, it's trustworthy. It's Samsung device. Power, precision, portability in the palm of your hand. Tell me, would you trust your entire workspace to something this small? Write in the section comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Support our community to become bigger and stronger.
Bye, 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 bye.
Take care till next time, and hope to see you again on our channel.